Hey there, today I will be showing you how to return Puma online order, and here's how. Number 1, open your browser and search puma.com. Number 2, once you are on the website, go to the upper right corner. Click on the profile icon. Number 3, tap on the initiate return option. Number 4, in here, you need to fill in the information needed for your return details, like your order number and email address. Number 5, then click on Submit. Number 6, after clicking the Submit button, there might be some additional information Puma would like to ask from you, like especially more about your return details and the item that you wish to return. Just follow the steps ahead and you will be good to go. Remember that specific details can vary, so it is crucial to refer to Puma's official website or contact their customer service for the most accurate and up-to-date information on returning online orders. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.